Hey, welcome to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I do my remixed Isi Ewu, and this is because I have very few ingredients for Isi Ewu. I get the full goat most of the time and I have the goat head, but I never get all the ingredients for Isi Ewu. So this is how I remix my own Isi Ewu and just feel like, in fact, this is my own consolation that I'm eating Isi Ewu. Anyways, you're going to blend red bell peppers, habanero peppers, onions and garlic, and this is going to form the base for your sauce. You're going to fry this in palm oil and just cover it, allow it to fry for about 10 minutes. Now you're going to add crayfish and peppersoup spice. I already had the blended peppersoup spice, so I used that, and then I added some salt and seasoning cubes. Now you're going to add your cooked goat head, the Isi Ewu. You're going to add it to the sauce and add some water to loosen the paste. But make sure that your goat head is already well cooked and is well spiced. And then you just cover this and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes so that the meat will absorb the flavors from the sauce. Now I tasted this and realized that I still needed a bit more seasoning, so I added seasoning cubes again to it just to give it that extra oomph. Now for typical Isi Ewu, for the typical Isi Ewu dish, you're going to use utazi leaves, you're going to use potash and all that, but I didn't have any of that, so this is just how I switch it up and create something that almost tastes like Isi Ewu. So instead of utazi leaves, I use Bitterleaf, and then I just added some extra onions because Isi Ewu is always tastier with extra onions in it. I serve this sometimes with plantain, roasted plantain, or with yams, but whichever one you like, it's just a great alternative, especially if you don't have all the ingredients. Please share this with someone, they might need this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.